Have you seen all these new AI agents popping up? And do you want to know how to build one yourself? An agent that connects real tools and actually does useful work for you? That's exactly what this course is all about. And in this course, we're diving into OpenClaw and NemoClaw, two powerful frameworks that let you build real AI agents. You'll go from zero to running your own AI system that can automate tasks, connect to services, and operate in the real world.
Hi, I'm Andrei, and I'm so excited to show you how to create your own AI agents in this course. In this course, we'll start by understanding what OpenClaw is, how it works, and how it compares to tools like ChatGPT and Claude code. So you really understand what makes it powerful. You'll set up your own Linux VPS from scratch, install OpenClaw, and configure everything properly, including securing your system and managing services like a real developer. I'll walk you through connecting APIs, setting up your environment, and running OpenClaw through both terminal and web interfaces, so you are comfortable in every workflow. You'll learn how to integrate real-world tools like Telegram, allowing your AI agent to communicate and operate through messaging. We'll break down core concepts like heartbeats and cron jobs, so your AI agents can run continuously and reliably. And as we move forward, we'll build real projects using OpenClaw, giving you practical experience creating agents that actually do things. We'll also introduce NemoClaw from NVIDIA, showing you how to extend your skills into even more advanced AI agent systems and workflows.
Don't worry if this feels a little advanced right now. We guide you step by step through everything. You'll actually build, configure, and run your own AI systems and understand what's happening under the hood. If you've been looking for a way to go beyond simple prompts and start building real AI systems, this is your next step.
Let's build your first AI agent together. I'll see you in class.